Hello everyone, welcome to the new episode of In the Kitchen with DragonForce. Today we are going to learn how to make spaghetti cacio e pepe. So about the ingredients, we need Roman pecorino cheese, we need black pepper, and we need spaghetti pasta. Okay, so as a first step, we need to grind the black pepper, okay? And to do this, we need to use a meat tenderizer, okay? Let's play some proper blast beat. Okay, so for now we are good. It's time now to start boiling the water for the pasta, okay? So we need to fill up the pot with the water. Okay, once the water is boiling, we are going to add only the half of the quantity of the salt, okay? Because the pecorino cheese is already salted, okay? Alright, so we are going to add some salt. Just 1 spoon for 2 people. And we're going to add the spaghetti. I mean, this spaghetti, they must cooking for 10 minutes to be al dente, but for now we are going to set the timer only at 8, okay? Because we need them very al dente. Alright, so in the meantime we need to start toasting the pepper, okay? And to do this we need to move it inside the pan. And we need to start toasting a little bit the pepper on the fire, okay, in the way that we can get the aromas of the pepper. It smells so good. So now it's time to add some boiling water inside the pepper, okay? Let's move a little bit the spaghetti. They are almost ready. And then we need to move them inside the pot together with the pepper, okay? Let's add a little bit more of water inside the pepper. And let's keep mixing. Alright, so the spaghetti should be ready. Now we are going to move them inside the pot with the pepper. So in the meantime we are still cooking the spaghetti inside the pot. Of course we need to add a little bit more of boiling water here. Okay, and we add a little bit of boiling water inside the pecorino cheese, okay, because we need to make the cream. Let's stop the fire. Let's pour the pecorino cream inside the pasta and let's keep stirring. Let's add the last touch, which is the rest of pecorino cheese. Let's mix it and let's go and eat it immediately, right now. It's time to eat. This is more than amazing. Dai, vieni che sennò si freddano. Mamma mia. Ma quanto c***o è buono. Mamma mia. È troppa?